Discover Africote Copper Paint, a revolutionary product that brings the timeless allure of weathered copper to any project. Transform ordinary surfaces into extraordinary works of art. Please note that this video is not for training purposes. It is a preview of how the product is applied for viewers. To avoid the oxidizer staining your hands, we recommend wearing protective gloves while working with Africote Copper Paint. For this project, you'll need a paintbrush, a paint tray, a paint sponge, protective hand gloves, and safety glasses, all readily available at your local Africote store. You will begin by applying your Africote Copper Paint base coat, then leave it to dry for 24 hours. Then you will apply your first layer of Africote Paint's top coat and leave it to dry for 6 hours, and then you're going to apply a second coat. Allow this layer to dry for 20 to 25 minutes. While the second coat is still tacky, apply a coat of either copper oxide A or B for a striking effect. For a truly standout look, mix the two oxidizers together to create an impressive turquoise hue that will really make your project pop. There are many ways that you can apply the oxidizer, such as sponging it on, painting it on, spraying it on, or letting it drip onto your paint. Behold the captivating final result of this project and others, radiating the mesmerizing allure of Africote Copper Paint. The rich, shimmering finish promises to enchant and elevate your space with its unparalleled beauty. Our sales consultants would be thrilled to assist you with product queries and home design. Africote thanks you for watching.